I'm going to have a little look inside your ears with my special torch. Got a little torch here, so let's have a little look inside your ears. Excellent. And we'll have a little look on this side. Excellent. Good work, Jade. Okay. So, Jade, the first test we're going to do is a test to make sure your eardrums are moving okay. So, I'm going to pop some headphones on, and your ears are either going to draw me a mountain or a road. Okay, so I'm going to pop a little plug into your ear, and you'll feel a bit of a pressure change like when you go up a hill or go up in a plane, and you'll hear some loud beeps, but you've just got to sit nice and still for me. Okay, so we'll pop your hair behind your ear there. Excellent. And we might use a yellow one on your ear today. All right. Okay, Jade, here we go. Oh, your eardrum's a lovely mountain. All right, here comes some beeps. Excellent, good work, Jade. Well done, that was excellent listening. All right, we'll pull this off. Okay, Jade, now we're going to pop you into the booth. Step into my spaceship. Okay, Jade, you're going to hear some whistles, and every time you hear the whistle, I want you to press the button for me just like that, okay? Even if the whistle's really tiny, you can just hear it, still press the button, okay? So we'll pop the headphones on. Just pop your hair behind your ears again. Good girl. Okay, JD, so now what you're going to do is you're going to listen for a man, and he's going to say a word, and I want you to tell me in a big loud voice what the man said. Here we go.
What? Play. Duck. Then.
Excellent. Good work, Jade. Well done. I'm just